Good morning, dear students. In our last class, we have discussed on transpose of a matrix. Also about symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Today we will solve some problems from exercise 3.3 from NCERT book, which is based on transpose of matrices and symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So everyone open your book, NCERT book, and read question number first of exercise 3.3. I have written here, find the transpose of, that is the first one, and that is the third one. Second will be homework for you. See, suppose this matrix is A. Okay, then transpose of A, solution of this one, transpose of A generally represented by A transpose, that is also represented by A dash, okay. So how can we find out the transpose of any matrix? By interchanging their rows in columns and their columns in rows. You can see here only one column and there are 3 rows. Okay, so change this column into row. What we have, that is 5, 1 by 2, minus 1. Okay, see, this is a matrix of order 3 by 1. Clearly its transpose will be a matrix of order 1 by 3. There are 3 rows and 1 column. So in the transpose of this matrix A, there will be 1 row and 3 columns. Rows will change into columns and column will change into rows. Now second one, suppose this matrix is matrix B. So you can see this is a matrix of order 3 by 3, means this is a square matrix of order 3. So its transpose, B transpose, that is represented by B transpose like this, or B transpose, whatever you want you can represent like this. So change its rows in columns and columns in row. So that is the first row, so it will be first column. That is the second row, so it will be second column. And that is the third row, so it will be third column. This is also a square matrix of order 3. Okay, so that is A transpose and that will be B transpose, where A is this one and B is this one. Now read question number 3rd. Read question number 3rd, everyone. Question number 3rd is, if A transpose is 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, that is a matrix of order 3 by 2, and B, that is minus 1, 0, sorry, this is minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. That is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Okay? Then verify that first A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and second one, A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. You can see these are what? Properties of transpose, which I have verified already by taking examples. So in this exercise, this question is given and asked for verification of the same properties. So I am going to verify this. So it's verification. See, first of all we have to find out A plus B. Matrix A plus B. So here B is given but A is not given. Here it is given A transpose. We know that A transpose is equal to A. जब किसी मैट्रिक्स के ट्रांसपोज का फिर से ट्रांसपोज करते हैं तो वो मैट्रिक्स मिल जाती है. That is the last property which I have discussed there. Open your notes and see there that A is equal to A transpose. So here A transpose is given. Okay. So again find out the transpose of this one. Means this is 3, 4, minus 1, 2. That is 0, 1. This is your A transpose. You should take its transpose. So that will be equal to A. So it will be, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So make its column into row. Change its column into row. So 3 minus 1, 0. And that is 4, 2, 1. Okay. So that is your A. That is A. Now B is here. Now find out A plus B. A plus B. So A plus B will be, this is 3 and this is minus 1. 3 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. That is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. That is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. That is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. That is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Okay. So it will be equal to, see this is 3 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 1. And 1 plus 0 1. 4 plus 1 5. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 1 4. So that is our matrix A plus B. Now we have to find out A plus B transpose. Then A plus B transpose will be, A plus B transpose will be, interchange, this one is A plus B, that is A plus B, that is A plus B, 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. Find out its transpose. That will be, there are 2 rows, so it interchange rows into columns. So we have 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. So this is your A plus B transpose. This matrix is A plus B transpose. Now we have to find out A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose plus B transpose. So see, A transpose is there. We have to find out B transpose. So find out B transpose. So we have B transpose. See this one. That is B minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Find out its transpose. So its rows become columns and column becomes rows. So it will be minus 1, 2, 1. The first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. That is B transpose. Now find out A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose plus B transpose. You can say this one is A transpose and that is B transpose. Add them. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 4 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 and 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So it will become, that is become 3 minus 1 2. Minus 1 plus 2 that is 1. 0 plus 1 that is 1. 4 plus 1 that is 5. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 1 4. Now you can check. This is A transpose plus B transpose and this is A plus B whole transpose. So you can see both are same. That's why from here we conclude that from here we conclude that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. In the same way, you can verify A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So that will be homework for you. Okay. Now read question number 5. Question number 5. See question number 5 here. Question number 5 is find the matrices A and B for the matrices A and B. Verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This is also a property of transpose, and when we had discussed these properties, I had taken an example and already verified that this is correct. This property is true. But here again it is given. The second one, I am going to verify the second one. A is 0, 1, 2 and B is 1, 5, 7. And we want to verify this. So you can see, first of all we have to find out AB, product of AB. So AB will be what? AB will be, this is 0, 1, 2, this is a matrix of order 3 by 1, and B is 1, 5, 7, that is matrix of order 1 by 3. Okay. So their product will be equal to what? This is first row first column 0 into 1 0, first row second column 0 into 5 0, first row third column 0, second row first column 1 1 ja 1, and second row second column 1 5 ja 5, 1 7 ja 7, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10 and 2 7 ja 14. That is a matrix of order 3 by 3, that is AB. Okay. Now find out AB transpose. Then AB transpose. How can we find out AB transpose? By interchanging its rows into columns and columns into row. So you can see this is first row, so it will become first column. This is second row, it will become second column. And this is third row, it will become third column. Okay. Now see, this is AB transpose. Now find out B transpose and A transpose. After that we will multiply them. So find out B transpose first. So B transpose is B transpose. This is B. This is B. So B transpose, there are only one row. So it will change in column. So it will become B transpose is 1, 1, 5, 7. Okay. And now find out A transpose. See, this is A transpose. This one is A, so it's transpose. There is one column, so it will become in one row. So that is 0, 1, 2. Now find out B transpose into A transpose. So I am going to find out B transpose into A transpose. See, that is B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose is here. B transpose is 1, 5, 7. And A transpose is 0, 1, 2. So their multiplication will be, see, first row first column 1 into 0, 0. Second row first column, first row second column 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. Now second row first column 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 2 ja 10. Now third row and first column 7 into 0, 0. Third row second column 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14. Okay. So that is B transpose into A transpose. Now you can check, this is AB transpose and that is B transpose A transpose. So check that these two matrices are equal or not. So you can see 0 1 2 the first row, 0 1 2 the first row, 0 5 10 the second row, 0 5 10 the second row, 0 7 14 the third row, 0 7 14 the third row. Clearly in these two matrices corresponding entries are equal, that's why these matrices will be equal. So from here we conclude that AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. That is not equal to A transpose into B transpose. That is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Got it everyone? Now question number 6. Read everyone, question number 6. There are two parts, so I am going to prove the first part. If it is given that A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, okay, then verify A transpose A is equal to identity. Okay, identity matrix. See, find out A transpose. A transpose will be, this is a square matrix of order 2. So first row becomes first column in when we find out its transpose. So first row, that is cos alpha sin alpha, it will become first column, cos alpha and sin alpha, and the second row becomes second column, minus sin alpha, and this is cos alpha. Okay, now find out A transpose into A transpose into A. So A transpose is, this is cos alpha minus sin alpha, that is cos alpha, and A is cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Okay, so that is equal to first row first column, cos into cos square alpha, minus sin into minus sin, minus plus sin square alpha. Okay, and this is cos into sin, cos alpha sin alpha, and minus this is cos into sin, and this is minus sin into cos, that is minus cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, and the second row first column, sin into cos sin alpha cos alpha, and sin alpha cos into sin, that is minus sin alpha cos alpha, minus cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, then second row second column, sin into sin square alpha, and plus cos into cos square alpha. Okay, now you can see this is sin cos minus sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, that will be 0. It will be 0, and this is also cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, it will be 0, and that is cos square plus sin square, that will be 1, and sin square plus cos square, that is also 1. So it will be 1 0 0 1. That is what? That is an identity matrix of order 2. Okay, so that is the verification of this one. Now question number 7. Question number 7. So that the matrix, first one, so that the matrix A, that is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 is symmetric matrix, is to show A is symmetric matrix. Okay, so when a matrix is symmetric, when A transpose is equal to A, so I am going to find out A transpose. See its proof. I am going to find out A transpose, that is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. This is A, its transpose. Okay, so that will be equal to, first row becomes first column, 1 minus 1 5, second row becomes second column, minus 1 2 1, third row becomes third column, 5 1 3. Okay, so you can see now this is A transpose and this is A. Check they are equal or not. So first row is 1 minus 5 1, sorry 1 minus 1 5, 1 minus 1 5. Second row minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1. Third row 5 1 3, 5 1 3. Clearly A transpose is A. So A is what? So A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Okay. Now the second one, second question. Another matrix A is given here. Matrix A is given here. That is 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1 and 1, minus 1, 0. And we have to prove, to show A is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric matrix. We know that when a matrix is skew symmetric, when A transpose is equal to minus A, A transpose is equal to minus A, then that matrix is called skew symmetric. The first condition for being a matrix skew symmetric, diagonal matrices must be 0. So you can see the diagonal matrices are 0. Okay. So पहली नजर में तो ये दिख रहा है कि हाँ है, that is skew symmetric है. और सेकंड क्या होना चाहिए? ijth एंट्री एंड jith एंट्री नेगेटिव्स होने चाहिए, मतलब अपोजिट साइन के होने चाहिए. सो यू कैन सी दिस इज 1/2th एंट्री. 1/2th एंट्री क्या है? फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम 1/2th एंट्री 1 है. देन 2/1th एंट्री -1 होना चाहिए. तो देखो दैट इज 2/1th एंट्री, सो दैट इज -1. तो लग रहा है कि हाँ ये है. आई एम गोइंग टू चेक दिस, आई एम गोइंग टू वेरीफाई दिस. सी इट्स प्रूफ. सी फाइंड आउट A transpose. So A transpose means this is 0, 1, -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, -1, 0. Find out its transpose. So that is A transpose. So it will be, see, that is first row becomes first column 0, 1, -1. Second row becomes second column -1, 0, 1, and third row becomes third column 1, -1, 0. Okay. Now see, this is 0, -1, 1 and this is 0, 1, -1. Find out minus common from this matrix. So what we have, see, A transpose is equal to taking -1 common. So we know that when we multiply a matrix by a scalar, then each entries will be multiplied that scalar. And when we taking common from each entry, when we are going to taking common in any matrix, then it should be from each entries. So I am going to take -1 as a common, -1 actually common from each entry. So -1 यहाँ से कॉमन लेंगे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. -1 यहाँ से कॉमन करेंगे, साइन बदल जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा. -1 यहाँ से कॉमन करेंगे, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. So that is -1, 0, 1. This is 1, -1 and 0. Okay. Now you can check. That is A transpose is equal to, this is minus, and this one is what? That is the first row 0, 1, -1. First row of A 0, 1, -1. Second row -1, 0, 1, -1, 0, 1. Third row 1, -1, 0, 1, -1, 0. Clearly this one and this one are same. So that is A transpose is minus. Got it? Means what? Means this matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now there are 4 questions remaining. Actually 5 questions: 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So next time we will solve these problems. That's enough for today. Homework for you: solve examples from this exercise. Okay. Thank you for today.